Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Taji and I'm here with another video for Plab 1. This video is specifically for your last revision before your examination. Let's not waste a lot of time. I would try to make this video very short and precise that you can go through the whole video without wasting a lot of your time. So the topics that we will be covering in this video are: when does your last revision start? It would be somewhere here. How to start your last revision, what to use for your last revision, and definitely stick to the end for the tips and tricks for your last revision as well as for your examination. Let's just begin. Boop. When does your last revision actually starts? It's very simple. To know when to start your last revision, you need to finish all the topics or categories from your online resources. Okay. The second thing that you need to do is you are currently solving your mocks, can be from Med Revision or Plabable, doesn't matter. You should already be finishing from 6 to 8 mocks, and after that you will be starting your last revision. Okay. You need 10 to 12 days. With my planning, you need 10 to 12 days before your examination to start your last revision. And of course, you will be doing your journal revision and all those things while you solve your mocks. I have talked about this in my mock video, so you can just go and watch it. The link would be in the description. So next thing that I would be talking about is how to start your revision. It took me some time to plan out this routine, and I have called it intensive revision routine, IRR. And what is actually intensive revision routine? Let me just give you a summary of it. You have to do 3 topics in 10 days. Okay, those 3 topics can be 2 big topics and 1 smaller topic, or 2 smaller topics and 1 big topic. You will be finishing the whole revision in 10 days if you follow my IRR routine. You need to dedicate a lot of time in the last 10 days. Okay, and just remember, I mean, if you can't give a lot of time, or if you're feeling down, or if you're feeling stressed about it, just remember that you need to pass this exam no matter what. Okay, and you need to give it your all in these last 10 days. Okay, so you don't have any regret later on. Okay, so yeah, intensive revision routine, I will be talking about more in this video further on, but let's just move to the next question. What resources to use for your revision? Where is that? Oh, it's here. Okay, so what resources to use? It's a very good question, and I will be telling you simple. If you're using Med Revision, go through your Med Revision notes and all those things. If you're using Plabable, go through your gems, go through the flagged MCQs, and yeah, definitely go through your notes. I have been telling all my candidates, whoever is following me from the first video, that you need to make your own notes because it is very important, and these notes will help you in your last revision. So your notes, your gems or your Med Revision notes, as well as your flagged MCQs from all the topics, you need to go through them. You need to see the explanation. You need to understand the explanation. Intensive revision routine. In this you will also be solving your big mocks. Big mocks can be from Plab 1 keys, from Med Revision, or from Plabable, and you will be solving them within the time limit. Okay, and about the timing, you can just go and watch my time management video, because a lot of candidates fail due to the lack of time in their main exam. So please go and watch it. Again, the link would be in the description. Intensive revision routine, again, 3 topics in 10 days, and with that, big mocks with the revision as well, with the time management. And the next thing you'll be doing is you'll take a piece of paper like this, a blank one. Okay, and you're gonna be writing down without thinking, without giving a second thought that, yeah, I might be able to do it and blah blah blah. No, if you're making a mistake in any topic, in any category, just write it down. Okay, you don't need to revise it on the same day. Just write it down. Keep on writing all your topics as you solve mocks, as you solve your category questions or topics. Okay, and you will be going through them in this intensive routine. Okay, how to go through them? You will be again doing 2 big topics or all those things. Okay, 3 topics in a day, and you'll be going through these marked topics as well every other day. You have to keep in mind that if you need to remember something, you need to keep on revising and revising and revising. Okay, so you will have to be doing that. So with the revision of the topics, what you need to do is you need to also concentrate on the tables or the charts that are in Plab or Med Revision. They are very important. Let me give you the examples for them. Child development, contraception, adrenaline, blood loss, city head scans, and criteria for all those things, and epi formulas, and so on. There are so many charts and those things. You have to go through them every single day, because when the question comes about these things in your main exam, you don't have time to think, okay, so blah 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 blah. You can't do that. You need to be very ready for this. If the question comes, you should know this belongs to this chart, and the answer would be this. Okay, so yeah, go through them every single day. That is what I have done personally. I have gone through these charts every single day, and I hope you are following up with me till now. Okay, the last thing is quick review. You have to review these things multiple times. Yes, they take a lot of time. I know, doing mocks, doing big mocks, doing 3 topics in a day, going through the charts and all those things can be overwhelming, but this is an intensive routine, okay? And you will have to give your all in these 10 days. It is very important for you to pass this exam, and for that, you need to follow this plan if you wish to. Let's go to the fun part, the tips and the tricks. First tip that I would be giving you is divide your time throughout the day. Maximum study for 3 hours straight. Why? Because your exam would be for 3 hours and you need that concentration span. Do that, okay? So study for 3 hours, take a break, and then you can study for 2 hours and take a break, and then you can study for an hour and take a break, and then you can study for 2 hours. It depends on you how many hours you're putting in each day, okay? The next thing is keep solving MCQs from valid resources. You can follow a lot of pages on Instagram and Facebook, different groups. You can follow my Plabsy group on Facebook, and I have just started it, and it will be helping you out with daily MCQs as well. I'll start to post them inshallah soon. So yeah, you can just try to solve random questions. We do that in my group, in Plabsy group. We solve random questions, we share the doubts and all those things. Don't try to know everything. Yes, it is a very silly thing to say, but you can't remember everything, okay? So what you need to do is you just need to keep yourself calm. You just need to do the revision. Don't stress about it. Just keep on revising. If you're forgetting something, note it down, revise it on the next day, and then do some MCQs for that, and that's how you're gonna remember those things, okay? But just don't think that if you know everything you will pass this exam or you will ace this exam. You don't need to know everything. You just need to have a lot of confidence, and you should if you're following my videos word by word, then yeah, you are ready. I'm pretty sure that you will be ready for your exam. Stress. Not a lot of teachers talk about this, but I would like to, because I have gone through this, and it's one of the things that can decide if I fail or pass. Stress. If I'm stressed out, if I get lack of sleep, if I'm not eating well, if I'm not getting my daily exercise, it can be stressful. I cannot concentrate on my studies. Just don't think that if you're going to be studying for the next 6 hours straight or 7 hours straight, that's a healthy thing. If you ask me, no, it is not. So just yeah, don't stress about it. Eat well. Get your 8 hours sleep, 7 hours sleep. Do some light exercise. Even if you're studying, you can just do some exercise, whatever suits you better. Just refresh yourself, refresh your body, refresh your mind. If you like coffee, go and have coffee. I love coffee. I used to have them all the time. I still do. So you have done your intensive revision routine for 10 days. Now you have 2 days left or 1 day left. Don't do anything on the last day. Just chill, okay? Have a good meal, have a good sleep, talk to your friends, talk to your family, whatever makes you feel relaxed, do that, okay? And no need to open the books. You have already did your intensive course of revision. You have already gone through all the MCQs. You have already did big mocks. You have already did mocks. You are well prepared, okay? Have that confidence. Go on the exam very fresh. That's why just don't do anything, okay? Just relax on the last day. I have talked about this in my previous video as well. Just relax, have fun on the last day. That is what I did, and I was very calm when I gave my exam. Okay, if you have any questions, if you have any doubts, if you need any guidance, you can just message me personally. I'm here to help you out as much as possible. You can message me on my Facebook, on Instagram. You can leave a comment down below. You can join my Facebook group. I'll be leaving all the links down below in the description, so you can it would be easier for you to contact me or watch the other videos if you want to. I pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you a lot of success, that you ace your exam with very good marks, and yeah, I hope that you also keep in your prayers as well. Okay, take care. This is Dr. Taji. Allah Hafiz.